my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. You see me? It's my big bronze boogie got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. Went from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno Stank.
Beauty's when you just got out the shower. Hair still dripping, wrapped up in a towel. Beauty's when you're ready in an hour. Them long legs, I call them the twins.
Hey y'all, so I know I've been gone for 2 weeks and I did post a video stating why, but I realized that when I did it, I cropped out a lot of the stuff that I was supposed to have been putting on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you now. On November 28th, my granddaddy turned 80 years old, and so on December the 1st, we had him a very formal party, and so I was just using that time to get everything situated with that and to spend time with my family. And immediately after the party on the 1st, December the 1st, we found out that a loved one passed, and between the loved one passing and my sinuses, y'all, yeah, listen, sinuses don't play. Sinuses do not play. And so yeah, my sinuses have been kicking my tail, and they are still kicking my tail, but I do have another video dropping for you this weekend as well. This is the like traditional holiday look, I feel like, you know, with the red lip and everything, and then I have a non-traditional holiday look coming for you this weekend. So I hope that you enjoy this, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Know that I love you, I'm praying for you, and I think that you are absolutely amazing. Oh, I almost forgot. These are my favorite pigments of life. I'm going to leave them linked down in the description box below, but they are from Jlarue Cosmetics. If you have not heard of them, like, look them up on Instagram. Look them up. Like I said, I'm going to have all the information down below. They are some of the best pigments I have ever used. I love them. And so, yeah. It's a whole stack, and I'm going to be using all of them because they are amazing. So, yeah, that's where I got those from. And, again, I'll leave that information in the description box for y'all. Okay? That's it. Bye.
K to the E to the K. Nah. Kiki. RCMA. Every time I want to do. Promise in a time when you got it. Yeah. She was wider. See my gypsy girl, something to myself. She was wider. Keep me money on my place. She looking at my eye order. She was wider. Keep me moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me heaven. Yeah. That's what we say. She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. See my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants wider. Keep me money on my place. She looking at my eye order. She wants wider. Keep me moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me heaven. That's what we say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover. Hot and cold, you be begging her please. No, if you tell me I own, I'll take you on. Then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it on, girl. You see me falling, fall from my sky. Panties are dropping, throwing the top. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on.
To my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants wider. Keep me money on my place. She looking at my eye order. She wants wider. Keep me moving so quick. You never see her coming. She She wants to wander. She and me A1. Now so me say. She wants to wander. See my gypsy girl, she something to myself. She wants to wander. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She wants to wander. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to see wander. She and me A1. Now so me say. She wants to wander. Bad man. Na na na. Kiki. Young buds, baby. I see big deals.
It's feet kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want in on the liquor. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno Sang.